So let's talk about XDC real quick. The current price is seated at 0.065. We are left with 2 hours and 27 minutes until this 4-hour candle closes. So in this video, we're going to be looking at this very important setup on the price of XDC. We are going to be talking about the orders chart. We are also going to talk about the BTC dominance, which is one of the most important indicators to give us a clear picture of when altcoin season should begin. And also we are going to briefly talk about this BTC buy setup on the 4-hour time frame as well. Now, if you're paying attention, the current market fear and greed index is currently at 52%, which is indicating neutral. Altcoin season is still at 27. Yesterday was 22. So we are still in the BTC season, which is indicating 27. You understand? Which is the BTC season. By the time it moves to the altcoin season, it increases. That means we are now approaching the altcoin season. So sooner or later, we should begin to see the entire cryptocurrency market cap head into the $7 trillion, $10 trillion territory. You understand? Very soon. Now, if you're paying attention to the XDC price movement in the last 7 days, it has been forming a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. In the last 7 days, the price has been in a steady uptrend, healthy uptrend. So in order for XDC Network to invalidate this bearish order block, we need to approach the bearish order block once again with a massive trading volume and then invalidate it. The last time we approached it, the last time we swept this liquidity right here, briefly tapped into the bearish order block, we got an instant sell to the downside. The next tap we are going to tap into it, we are likely to get a reaction to the downside from there again. Now, this time around, I think we are still going to consolidate where we are currently consolidating because the volume has reduced across cryptocurrencies, not just XDC Network. So the moment we start coiling up once again, tap into this bearish order block, break above it, flip it into a support, then it's going to be a massive moonshot for the price of XDC Network. Now, I think we have a significant resistance around 0.069, which by the time we invalidate this bearish order block, that significant support is definitely going to be taken out as well. In the long run, XDC Network can easily tap into the price of $1, $2, and even $3 respectively, considering the huge utility behind this project. So when it comes to projects with huge utility and real world demand, aside from XRP and the likes, XDC Network is one of the projects that stands out. So the XDC Network is a blockchain developed to support trade finance and tokenization of real world assets. You get not just anyhow forgazing or what should I even call itself? Fake utility. Market cap is currently seated at $1 billion. We can easily tap into the zone of 10 billion, even $50 billion for the XDC coin. The current verified circulating supply, according to CoinMarketCap, is sitting at 16.2 billion XDC coin. That is to tell you, by the time we get to $1, by the time we get to $1 per price of the XDC Network token, we should be expecting a $16.2 billion market cap, which is still very realistic, if you ask me. Before I proceed, my name is Isaac. For those new to this channel, if you're yet to like this video, please like this video if you haven't already. Smash the like button, destroy the like button. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, subscribe, turn on the bell icon to get notified each time I drop new video like this. Now, BTC on 4 hours, nothing really has happened. Like I told you guys yesterday, the entire cryptocurrency market is currently having a low volume. Likewise to BTC. The current price of BTC is $108, $108,611. And this is a clear buy setup you get. So you can check the Telegram group out to check the signal out. By the time this buy setup get filled, this is a high probability trade, by the way. So, but still, invest wisely and also manage your risks. This is the BTC dominance. We are still expecting the correction. You understand? So by the time the BTC dominance is currently at 64.93%, we are left with 22 days and 15 hours until this monthly candle closes for the BTC dominance. Now, by the time we start getting a massive rejection on the BTC dominance, it's going to be massive for our altcoin bag. The last time we got a minus 4% rejection correction on the BTC dominance, most altcoins pumped 20%, 40%, 100% in a single 24 hours. Now imagine what will happen when we eventually start retracing this whole pump on the BTC dominance. I'm expecting a minus 39% correction on the BTC dominance. So by the time the BTC dominance eventually gets to this level, which is around 47%, I'm going to sell 70 to 80% of my asset, take profit. And by the time it eventually gets to the 39%, which is the historical bottom, same thing happened in 2021 and also in 2018, I'm going to sell the entire portfolio, my entire portfolio, and get out of altcoins. If the BTC dominance fails to start the rejection from here, which should be what is expected to happen because we've already tapped into this bearish order block, it's very, very obvious. If we happen to continue to pump to the upside, then we should definitely get a rejection from around 71.44%. I don't see the BTC dominance going above the 71.44%. 71.44% is my worst case scenario for altcoins because the moment the BTC dominance start heading there, altcoins are going to bleed. Let's not forget the orders chart as well. We've talked about this orders chart countless times in our videos. Now this is the orders chart, and the last time this pattern formed, this orders chart is the entire cryptocurrency market cap excluding the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the crypto space. We are currently on the weekly time frame. The last time this pattern formed several months ago, we got a breakout, a retest, and a massive moonshot to the upside. Now we now have the same pattern forming again. We've already broke out of the pattern, flipped it into a support. Very, very soon we should expect a massive moonshot to the upside, but this time around is going to be different. I'm expecting a monstrous move on the orders chart this time around, considering the alignment with the altcoin season. The moment the BTC dominance start retracing aggressively and this orders chart start pumping, then it's going to be explosive. We are likely to take out this previous high around $491 billion, which was the previous high of the last market cycle in 2021, November. And by the time we take out the $491 billion, we are expected to tap into the $700 billion zone for the orders chart. We can even go as high as $1 trillion for the orders chart.